Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy twisted hairstyle. To start, I've popped the hair into a side parting and left some hair out to frame the face. Next, we're going to take a big chunk of hair from just above the ear and we're going to split it in half and wrap the top section around the bottom section. Now we're going to divide off a bit of hair directly underneath that, add it to that bottom strand and twist it over the top. So grab a piece of hair directly below that twist, add it to the bottom strand and then twist it over the top section. And we're basically going to do this all the way across the back of the head, trying to keep this twist level with about the middle of the ears. Once you've reached the opposite side, we're just going to secure the end of this twist to the head with a few bobby pins. And then also push a few bobby pins along the length of that twist just to keep it nice and secure. Okay, now we're going to take the same section on the opposite side and do exactly the same thing. So split it in half and wrap that bottom section over the top section. Grab a little chunk of hair from directly below that twist, add it to the bottom section and twist it over the top section. So grab a chunk of hair from directly below, make sure you're incorporating all the hair from the hairline upwards now, and add it to that bottom section and twist it over the top section. And again, we're going to work our way back across the head using this technique. And we're going to try and keep this twist sitting just below the first one. Once you've incorporated all the hair, just twist the end a few times to keep it nice and secure. And then again, secure the very end of that twist to the head with a couple of bobby pins. Then secure the length of that twist with a few more bobby pins, pushing it up to meet the previous twist as you go. Now we're going to apply some texture spray all over the hair. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. And then we're just going to loosen up the hair at the top of the head by pinching and pulling. And also we're just going to grab the top of those twists and just gently fan them out to make them nice and voluminous. Then just repeat this on the bottom twist. Take those tail ends, wrap them around your fingers and we're just going to poke them into that hole right next door to it and secure it to the head with a couple of bobby pins. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.